was applying to vegetables and fruit for a cleaning process. The machine was customized according to our requirement. By using the washer vegetable machines, we get a good quality of fruit and the process of cleaning a vegetable easy to operate. However, this machine also have an advantage in cleaning process of vegetable by following the flow of processing from harvesting until marketing process.
Sometimes, raw fruits and raw vegetables have harmful germs that can give bad impact to our health. The function of this vegetable washing machine is to clean various types of fruits and vegetables. It cleans by removing the soil, dust from veggies and fruits, and also achieving high hygiene standard. This vegetable washing machine can wash root vegetables such as potatoes, onion, carrot, ginger, yam, radish, sweet potatoes, cassava, taro roots. For fruit, it can wash the kiwi, pear, apple, and so on. Soft products like fish and shrimp also can be washed using this vegetable washing machine.
So in this part, I will explain about the process of the washer of the vegetables. So first is we just open the main switch, and then we move to the control panel and we open the power switch. And then we put the crop in this part of the machine, and then we open the bubble switch, and then we just open the transfer switch of the machine, and so we move to the part of the machine. Washer the crop, and then we remove the transfer switch first, and then the bubble switch, and lastly the power switch of the machine, and then lastly we off the main switch.
Therefore, in conclusion, this vegetable washer machine is efficient and has good cleaning ability with no damage to the materials as in the products. As stated by my friends before, this kind of vegetable washer machine have various functions such as cleaning enormous type of fruits, leafy vegetables, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and not to be mentioned, soft product like shrimp and fish. Apart from that, good quality of fruits and vegetables, as well as having the advantage in processing the vegetable until the marketing process. As for the recommendations, we recommend that the water that has been used to clean the fruits and vegetables to be recycled back, with the objective to save water and improve water utilization. Besides that, the improved water also could be used to water the plants, or could be used of other commercialization. On the another recommendation is to suggest that the machine to be equipped with adjustable floor feet so that the user could freely adjust the height of these machines.